Now children, okay, we have seen the vehicles, the means of transport in villages, in cities. These all transport or the vehicles moves on land, so they are all land transport, isn't it? Yes, especially and also trains, like they moves on railway tracks, metro trains we saw. Then we learned about the air transport, the vehicles or transport that moves in air, fly in air. Then suppose you want to cross the river and go across the sea. How will you go? Yes, we use boat. Then we use ship to cross the sea and go. Then these transport are the transport that moves in water. So they are called water transport. Yes, water transport, WATER, water transport, TRANSPORT, water transport, the transport or means of transport that moves in water. Example, we can say ship, then boat, boat, ship. These are the examples, isn't it? Yes. Water transport, ships, boats and steamers are means of water transport. Steamers also examples for water transport. Steamer, 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 steamer boat, steamer ship or steamer boat. These are the examples of water transport. You can see the image of a ship here. Yes, it is the image of a ship. Now coming to the next image. Which image is that? It is an image of a boat. Then coming to the third image, you can see a steamer there. Yes, it is an image of a steamer. Okay, so boat, ship, steamer, these are water transport. They carry people, and also some ships carry goods also, things also from one place to another. So that ship is called cargo ship. Cargo ship, you know, there is a ship called cargo ship, CARGO, cargo ship that carry only goods, not people. Cargo ships are the ships that carry things, not people. But boat, ship and all, they carry people. Okay, so ships sail in the sea. They carry people and goods to far away places. So ships, they sail in the sea, they carry people, they carry goods also. A ship that carry only goods means cargo, only goods, only things. But these are the water transport that carry people as well as things or goods, we say. Yes, so that is about water transport. So there are means of transport that travel in water. Example, ships, boats and steamers. See the spelling? SHIP, ship, BOAT, boat, steamer, STEAMER, steamer. These are water transport. Ships sail in the sea. They carry people and goods from one place to another, or to far away places. They carry people as well as goods. Ships sail in the sea. Okay, children? So we were learning about traveling is fun. Yes, it is fun for us to travel, especially if we travel suppose with our friends and families as like a picnic or excursion. It's so fun. You all enjoy, isn't it? Yes. You all enjoy when you ride a bicycle also, your favorite cycle, isn't it? Yes. So we learned about different means of transport. Yes. And we learned about the transport that runs on or moves on road or land. They are land transport. We learned about land transport first, or the transport that moves on land. Land transport. Which are those transport, children? Yes, car, bus, auto rickshaw, bicycle, tonga, then bullock cart, they all moves on land. And bullock cart, tonga, tractor, they mostly we see these vehicles in villages, these transport in villages. Car, bus, scooter, auto rickshaw we can see in cities, isn't it? Yes, these are all land transport. Yes. Then yes, now train is the train moves on a special tracks called railway track, isn't it? Yes. Then metro trains also runs on tracks. They are the fastest mode of land transport we say, because we can reach the place very fast. Yes. Then we learned about the number of wheels. Different vehicles have different wheels. Most of the vehicles they move on wheels. Your bicycle has how many wheels? 2. Yes. Scooter 2. Motorcycle 2. Auto rickshaw 3. Cycle rickshaw 3. Car 4. Bus 6. Truck also 6. Yes. So different vehicles have different wheels, number of wheels. All these vehicles move on wheels. Yes. Then we learned about the fastest means of transport. Which is the fastest means of transport? We can reach far away places very fast. Within short time we can reach. It is aeroplane. Yes, aeroplane or means of air transport. The vehicles that moves in air. Air transport, isn't it? Yes, the fastest means of transport we say. Then we learned about the transport, the vehicles that moves in water to cross the river or sea. We use which transport? Water transport, like ship, boat, etc. They move in water. Ship sails in the sea. They carry people as well as goods from to far away places. Boat, ship, steamer, these are the examples of water transport. Yes, so we learned about land transport, we learned about air transport, then we learned about water transport, and we also learned about how many wheels are there for many vehicles, the wheels of vehicles, number of wheels, isn't it? Number of wheels in the vehicles that we learned, isn't it? Yes, so these are the things that we learned in this lesson. Life skills. Let's see what is there in the life skills. We should always use the vehicles carefully, isn't it? Yes, when you ride, children, when you ride bicycle, your favorite riding vehicle or bicycle, if you ride bicycle, then also you should carefully ride the bicycle. You should always use the vehicles carefully. Look at the people below and circle the people who are not driving carefully. Here you can see some images. Can you see the images here, children? Yes, you can see the images, and here you can see first image in front of a car. A child is riding bicycle. Is it safe for that child to ride a cycle like this? That too in front of a car. Whenever we ride the bicycle, we should go by the side of the road, isn't it? Yes, we should not go in front of big vehicles. Isn't that vehicle speed is very fast, and our vehicle is bicycle. So we are riding bicycle on a road, means we have to carefully ride by the side of the road, isn't it? Yes. So first image, can you say whether the child is driving carefully? First image, no, the child is not driving carefully there, isn't it? Yes. So you can circle that image there. Just put a circle on the image where you think that the driving is not done carefully there. Just draw a circle. So the first image, it is not running, the child is not riding the cycle carefully. He is riding in front of a car, so it is not a careful driving. So you can draw a circle. Second, yes, second, see that man driving a car. He has worn the seat belt also. Good, isn't it? Whenever we drive the car, the driver or the person who drive, he should wear the seat belt. Okay, yes. That third image. What about the third image? Third image, you can see a bus driver driving a bus. See what is there in his hand? Yes, he is talking to someone in the phone, mobile phone, and he is driving. Is it a safe driving? You can see the image here, isn't it? Driver is talking in the phone and driving. Is it a safe driving? No, he is not driving carefully. He's talking to someone in the phone and driving. This is not a good way of driving. So that it is not, he's not driving carefully. So you just draw a circle. Okay, yes. So you can see three images here. In the first image, that man is driving the car. He is driving carefully only, but the child who is driving in front of the car, he is not driving carefully, because instead of going to the side of the road, he is riding the cycle in front of a car. It is not safe driving for the child to run a bicycle. So the child, you can put a circle. Then second image, that man is driving the car carefully, that too wearing seat belt and all. It's good. Then third image, you can see driver talking to phone and driving. That is not a careful driving, so you can put a circle in the third image. So whenever you drive, whoever is driving, they should drive the vehicle, even if it is a car or bicycle or scooter, bus, whatever, they should drive very carefully on the road, isn't it? They can avoid accidents. We can avoid accidents if we drive carefully. Everyone, whoever drives a vehicle, they should drive very carefully. They should not use phone while driving. They should wear the seat belt when you drive a car, and when you drive a scooter, motorcycle, they should wear helmet, isn't it? So all precautions they should take, all rules they should maintain while driving. They should not drive vehicles so fast. A minimum speed they should drive on the road. When they drive the vehicle, they should drive slowly, not so fast. And also scooter, motorcycle, when people drive, they should wear helmet. Then they should not talk in the phone while driving. And when they drive car and all, compulsory, they should wear the seat belt. These are the rules, some rules that we should follow when we drive a vehicle. Then only we can drive carefully to avoid accidents, to save our lives, isn't it? So drive very carefully. If you are riding a bicycle also, drive very carefully. Don't drive too fast. Whenever turning comes, you should ring the bell, isn't it? Yes. Other vehicles, they give a horn, isn't it? So in cycle we have a ring. Yes. So these all things you should be careful while drive. You should when you drive, you should drive so carefully. You should keep all these things in the mind while you driving. Isn't it? Yes. Children, so we have completed the lesson. Now it's time to read. Children, go through the lesson well. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Read the lesson. Reading the lesson, it improves your reading skills. So read the difficult words, spell it, and read completely. Each paragraph, each topics you have to read and go through the lesson well. It will be so easy for you if you read the lesson and doing the exercise. Okay, so read the lesson well. Okay, children.